Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. This is a video tutorial for AFMC, AMU, BHU, JIPMER, Kerala. These are the old questions which have already come in the exam. So please share this video to as many people as possible so that they can also get the same advantage as you are getting. In order to crack the Neet this year, you need these questions very badly. So we start doing. The tooth-like process at the back of the second vertebrae axis of the neck is odontoid process. Collagens and proteoglycans confer amazing resilience and shock absorption qualities to cartilage. Cartilage is made up of 65 to 80% of water, collagen, proteoglycans, and special cells called chondrocytes. Chondrocytes are the cells of the cartilage. A cotyloid semicircular cavity in the pelvic girdle that houses the ball-shaped head of femur is acetabulum. Dash is a trauma to a joint that causes pain and disability. This is sprain. A metabolic disorder characterized by recurrent attack of arthritis, urate deposit in joints and kidney is gout. Gout is a metabolic disorder. It is a type of arthritis. At the end of long bones there is a shiny glass-like appearance due to presence of hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage. Elastic semifluid mass in the center of an intervertebral disc is nucleus pulposus. A transparent viscous fluid resembling the egg white is synovial fluid. Patella, that is a sesamoid type of bone. Sesamoid. Next is the process of conversion of cartilage in embryonic skeleton into bones is endochondral ossification. Endochondral ossification. Largest tarsal bone is calcaneum. Cervical vertebrae have apertures in the transverse processes called foramina transversaria. Transverse fractures of distal end of radius is Cole's fracture. Loss of function of one half of the body is hemiplegia. This is a kind of paralysis. Formation of internal blood clot in brain is cerebral thrombosis. Sudden insensibility accompanied by seizures is epilepsy. A potent vasoconstrictor neurohormone released from neurons in hypothalamus is serotonin. The serotonin is also produced from basophil cells. EEG, electroencephalograph, was discovered by British neurologist Richard Catton. Progressive dementia due to decreased production of acetylcholine is Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease. Coming to next 21. Slowing of voluntary movement, feeling of depression affecting basal ganglia due to deficiency of dopamine is Parkinson's disease. Hereditary disease due to defective gene causing degeneration of neurons in cerebral cortex is Huntington's chorea. Chorea, C-H-O-R-E-A. Catecholamine synthesized by suprarenal gland and secreted as a synaptic transmitter is dopamine. Roof of diencephalon consists of anterior epithalamus, and floor consists of hypothalamus. So, getting it, the stimulation of which nerve increases peristalsis, secretes more HCl and pepsin from the stomach. This is vagus, the 10th cranial nerve. Enzyme required for conduction of nerve impulses across synapse is choline acetylase. An enzyme that splits acetylcholine is acetylcholine esterase. Acetylcholine esterase. The band of nerve fibers which joins corpora quadrigemina to cerebellum is called valve of Weisses. Thermoregulatory center of the body that keeps body temperature at 37 degrees, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Cerebellum has a branching tree-like core of white matter called tree of life or arbor vitae. Movement of tongue is controlled by glossopharyngeal. Two sheaths that surround the nerves, the myelinated nerves, are myelin sheath and Schwann sheath. Broca's area processes the information received from Wernicke's area. These are speech centers. Under prolonged starvation, brain receives energy from acetoacetic acid. Acetoacetate. Which acid is unstable at room temperature, decomposing to acetone and carbon dioxide? Acetoacetic acid. Three nerves which emerge from taste buds and pass to the brainstem are facial, glossopharyngeal and vagus. Choroid plexus is a network of capillaries which functions to produce CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. Cranial nerve that innervates heart, stomach and lungs is vagus nerve. Resting potential of nerve is minus 70 millivolt. Aqueduct of Sylvius connects third and fourth ventricles. Obesity of face, hyperglycemia and virilism in females is the feature of Cushing syndrome. Which part of adrenal cortex secretes aldosterone? This is zona glomerulosa. All hypophysiotrophic hormones are peptides except prolactin. Prolactin release inhibiting hormone. This is also called dopamine. Prostaglandins have no role in nerve impulse transmission. Blood calcium can be increased by administration of parathormone. Next is endostyle in urocortex and cephalocortex is similar to thyroid gland. The hormone that stimulates stomach to secrete gastric juice is gastrin. Salt balancing hormone is mineralocorticoid, or we can say aldosterone or aldosterone, whatever it is. Which hormone decreases calcium level in blood? This is calcitonin. Gland that originates from dorsal part epithalamus of diencephalon is this is organ of God. The pineal gland. Demineralization of bones is caused by oversecretion of which hormone? Calcitonin. This is also parathormone. Part of pituitary gland composed of pituitary nervous tissue and blood vessels is neurohypophysis. The sensory hairs of semicircular canals are partly embedded in a gelatinous mass called cupula. Eye defect due to irregular cornea is known as astigmatism. The central part of tympanic membrane is called umbo. Schneiderian membrane is found in nasal mucosa. Cells of Dieter occur in organ of Corti. This is helicotrema. This is olfactory membrane. Laurent-Larry syndrome is due to deficiency of growth hormone. Endoblastic cleavage refers to which type of division in eggs? This is incomplete division. Both corpus luteum and macula lutea are yellow in color. The rule of embryonic development was given by fawn, bear. Wolffian duct forms epididymis. Antifertilizing is present at tip of the sperm. Tip of sperm. So this is the end of the video. Please share the video to as many people as possible and please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.